Since fossil of Devonian age, coelacanth now represented by only 2 extant marine species in the genus Latimeria, the West Indian Ocean coelacanth, Latimeria columni, primarily found near the Comoro Islands off the east coast of Africa, and the Indonesian coelacanth, Latimeria menadoensis. The name coelacanth originates from the Permian genus Coelacanthus. The oldest known coelacanth fossils date back more than 410 million years. Coelacanth were thought to have become extinct in the late Cretaceous, around 66 million years ago, but were discovered living off the coast of South Africa in 1938. The Komodo dragon, Varanus komodoensis, also known as the Komodo monitor, is a member of the monitor lizard family Varanidae that is endemic to the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Matang. It is the largest extant species of lizard, growing to a maximum length of 3 meters, 9.8 feet, and weighing up to 70 kilograms, 150 pounds. Fossils from Queensland demonstrate that the Komodo dragon was once present in Australia, with fossils spanning from the early Pliocene, 3.8 million years ago, to the Middle Pleistocene. The oldest records of the Komodo dragon on Flores date to around 1.4 million years ago, during the early Pleistocene. The nautilus is an ancient pelagic marine mollusk of the cephalopod family Nautilidae. Fossil records indicate that nautiloids have experienced minimal morphological changes over the past 500 million years. They developed in the late Cambrian period and became a significant group of sea predators during the Ordovician period. Certain species reached over 2.5 meters, 8 feet, in size. But now, chambered nautilus depending on species, adult shell diameter is between 10 and 25 centimeters, 4 and 10 inches. The ancestry of this shark goes back to the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods 245 to 65 million years ago, when the present groups of sharks began to appear. Whale sharks are gray, blue or brown above, with a surface pattern of creamy white spots between pale, vertical and horizontal stripes. The belly is white. These markings are camouflage against their backgrounds. They can be as long as 41 feet, 12.3 meters, in length, and weigh as much as 47,000 pounds, 21.5 tons. Some whale sharks which can reach lengths of up to 67 feet, 20 meters. The smallest free-living individuals are around 55 centimeters, 21.7 inches long. Whale sharks reach maturity at lengths of about 8 to 9 meters. They are the largest species of fish, and the largest animal that is not a whale.